Comedian Jano Gibbs responded to a social media users who doubted his grieving process following the passing of his father, veteran actor Ronaldo Valdez. Jano Gibbs shared a photo of his family's New Year trip to Japan on his Instagram. "Happy New Year from the Gibbs and our extended," he captioned the post. An Instagram user left a comment. "Your father just passed away." Jano Gibbs responded with a simple, "I know. And sadness does not seem to exist. Not judging, maybe behind each post you're all still crying inside," the Instagram user replied. "You are judging. Shame on you," Jano Gibbs replied. The Quezon City Police District confirmed their ongoing though rough investigation into the veteran actor's death but has refrained from disclosing any details at the moment. Jano Gibbs described Ronaldo Valdez as the sweetest dad ever. He also thanked the people who gave flowers during his father's wake, who included Coco Martin, Julia Montes, Jinggoy Estrada, Robin Padilla, Lenny Robredo, Catherine Bernardo, Lito Lapid, Tito Soto, Herbert Bautista, Grace Poe, Gloria Diaz, Jake Cuenca, Philip Salvador, Cory Vidanes and Carlo Aquino.